Hidden within the pristine and magnificent mountains of Colorado, there is a little and not very well-known restaurant located in Idaho Springs, Colorado. It's the first stop outside of Denver. Now, the banana leaf offers a new and exciting twist with Hmong-inspired Asian fusion. And whether you're going to the mountains for a day of fun or simply returning home, the banana leaf is a great spot to stop for a quick bite to eat. So get out of that frustrating traffic and stop by, have a delicious bowl of pho just to get your mind right, before having to return to the long and arduous migration back to the city in that annoying traffic. So come and stop by from 11 to 5 on Saturday and Sunday, and we'll help you get your mind right for the migration.